Hi guys! Me. Yes, one of your favorite YouTubers. Birthday. It's just a few minutes after uploading that video. Wait. This isn't a real unicorn. This isn't a real unicorn. This is poking out. This is its jacket. Wait, is it? I don't know. And this is it. It's not her real mane. And that's not her butt. Wait. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. What? What? Why am I so dumb? Why? Why am I so dumb?
That's funny.
That's what you're thinking. I know it. You're thinking,
That's funny.
I don't care, Big Bird. I don't care, you stupid piece of whatever you are. Stupid piece of crap. What? Would you stop that? With
Oh my gosh! Could you delete the video because I don't want you yelling?
That's funny.
Why? This is a live video. Bye. I'm just kidding. What is that thing? Goodbye, not friend. You're my nightmare. You're not my friend. Goodbye, nightmare. I hope to never see you again. I hope. Why won't it let me zoom in? There we go.